second example, based on F test. Here we have two independent samples of sizes 7 and 6 at the following values, sample A and sample B. Sample A, we have 7 values, and sample B, we have 6 values. Examine whether the samples have been drawn from the same normal population having the same variance. That's why no need to verify by the help of t-test that sample mean and population mean both are equal, because only numerical is saying having the same variance, and that's why you have to apply here only F test. No need to verify your data by t-test. Therefore, null hypothesis is what null hypothesis say, variance are equal, and that is samples have been drawn from the normal population with same variance. And alternative hypothesis is the complement of null hypothesis. Now what is t calculate? T calculate is s1 का square upon s2 का square, where s1 का square greater than equal to s2 का square. Now the value is x is here and y is here. Find the mean of x. This is 31. Find the mean of y. This is 28. Now find the value of x minus x bar ka whole square. X minus x bar ka whole square, easily you can find. X is 28, x bar is 31, this value, and direct whole square you can find. This is the sigma of x minus x bar ka whole square is 28, and sigma y minus y bar ka whole square is 26. Find small s1 का square and small s2 का square. Find capital S1 square and capital S2 square. The value is S1 square is sigma x minus x bar का whole square upon n1 minus 1, and S2 square is y minus y bar का whole square is n2 minus 1. This is 4.66 and 5.2. Now here we know very well S1 square is greater than S2 square, and here the value of S1 square is 4.66 and S2 square is 5.2. That's why the formula is S2 square upon S1 square. This value is 1.1158. Now T tabulated value of F. This is nu1 equal to n1 minus 1, nu2 equal to n2 minus 1. When the value is S2 square upon S1 square, then nu1 is n1 minus 1. n1 minus 1 means 6 minus 1, and this is 7 minus 1. 5 or 6 degree of freedom. 5 or 6 degree of freedom. This table is 5 is x-axis. 5 is x-axis here, and 6 is y-axis. The value of 6 is y-axis. This is 4.39. Degree of freedom we have to check as 5%. This is given in F distribution, and this is for 4.39. 4.39. This value is 4.39. Now the value of F calculate is 1.1158, and F table value is 4.39. F calculate is less than F table value, H not accepted. Now another example is here. Two random samples reveals the following data. Sample number, we have two sample here, n1 and n2, mean values and variance values we have to given. Now test whether the samples come from the same normal population or not. Already you know very well. In this again we have to check our data that by the help of variance and by the help of mean, because here we have to here the numerical is saying that the samples come from the same normal population. Now we have to verify our data, equality of mean and equality of variance. First of all, we apply here F test. In F test, we are saying that population variance do not differ significantly, and in alternative hypothesis, this is does not equal to. Now to find F calculate. F calculate is S1 का square upon S2 का square. Now find S1 square. This is N1 small s1 square upon N1 minus 1. Small s1 and small s2 are the variance we have to given in this question. Small s1 square and small s2 square, and mean x bar and y bar. Now N1 and N2 is 16 and 25. That's why find S1 square and S2 square. Now S1 square is 42.66, S2 square is 43.75. Therefore the value of S2 square is greater than S1 square. Therefore the formula F calculated is S2 square upon S1 square. This value is 1.02. Now find the T table value. T table value you can find at 5% level. This is nu1 equal to 25 minus 1, 16 minus 1. This is 24 and 15. 24 and 15 you can see very easily in F distribution. 24 and 15. 24 and 15 at 5% per. 24 and 15. This is 24 and this is 15. 15 is this value 2.29. This value is 2.29. This value is 2.29. This is 2.29. So F table value is 2.29. Now here F calculated is 1.02 and F table value is 2.29. So F calculate is less than F table value, H not accepted. That's why first point the population variance are equal. Now by the help of means we have to verify that our population mean are equal or not. Now here this is T test. Now null hypothesis, means are equal and means are not equal. To find the T calculate, this value is x bar minus y bar upon capital S under root this value. Capital S का square n1 small s1 square plus n2 small s2 square upon n1 plus n2 minus 2. All values you have, you can find capital S very easily, and substituting all these values in T calculate, this is in the terms of mode. Always we say this value is minus 9.491 and mode of T calculated is 9.49. Now T table value, this is degree of freedom 5% per n1 plus n2 minus 2, this is 1.98. Now here the value T calculate is greater than T table value, therefore H naught rejected. The T calculate is 9.49, T table value is 1.98, so H naught reject. What is the significance of H naught? H naught reject. The significance of H naught reject means since there is significant difference between means and no significant difference between variance, we conclude that the sample do not differ from the same normal population.